Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to give access to your Google form so others can view, edit, or respond to it. First is to go to the Google form. After that, select a form that you want to share. Now is to click on this icon and then click on the anyone with the link in this option. After that, click on the copy responder link at the bottom. Now, you can now share this link with anyone that you want to share this form. You can send it via email or chats so they can access the form that you've been sent to them. And that's how you give access to your Google form. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.